Hi everyone, my name is Marwan Hussain and welcome to this video. In this video I just want to make a quick overview to this course so you could understand and know what is this course talk about and what you will learn here in this course. In this course we will discuss modeling and unwrapping and rigging and texturing inside Substance Painter, and after that I will make a quick render to the final result. This is the final result that I will get, but this result is textured, but I am now in the solid mode, not in the material or render mode. I will jump I will jump there later. Yes, I want to talk about the course first. In this course you will learn modeling, as I said, and we will learn how to use Blender in general, how to add the geometry, how to shade your model correctly. As you see here, we don't have artifact. Everything here looks nice and beautiful, as you see here. Even if I switch this to another matte cap here, we have a bunch of matte caps here. The result will still looks fine and beautiful. If I jump, for example, to this matte cap here, you notice that everything looks nice and beautiful and looks clean. So we will learn how to model, how to extrude, how to add bevel correctly, how to correct the normal if we have any problem, how to fix the vertices, etc. So that will be in the modeling section, and I will model all of these parts in front of you. After modeling section, I will jump to the unwrapping section, and I will unwrap all the details, all the parts I mean, and we will learn how to unwrap hard surface correctly without any distortion. And unwrapping section will be fun and very informative. After this section I will jump to the rigging, and I will add bones here to the all necessary joint here, and I will rig this robot correctly, and you will learn how to rig and how to use constraint, point constraint, so you could make something interesting here. After the rigging section, I will take this out to Substance Painter to add the material there, and you will learn how to create the material from scratch and how to shade this correctly and make it realistic. Alright, now I am in the solid mode. I will jump to the render mode. Let's give that a bit of time here. Alright, now I am in the render mode, and this is the result that I got. Let's take a look here. Let's go close to the texture. Let's check the resolution here. I made a 4K resolution, and I created this material from scratch. As you see right here, I added the rust and the metal and the scratch here and some bumps here, and I got this result. And I added the glow effect here inside Substance Painter. I used the emission effect, and let's take a look here and let's see the chest here, the shoulders, the hand, everything is detailed and looks nice. Let's go here from behind so you could see the whole robot. We used a paint layers to paint these parts, and we made these paints affected by the rust and the dirtiness that we added to the robot. And let's check the arm. The texture here is 4K and it is detailed, so you can go and zoom in and you will have nice result as you see here. Check the fingers, everything looks nice and beautiful here. Let's jump to the side, and there we go. I added some shapes, and I added some